Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Calendly to collect project kickoff scheduling info, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Calendly and log in to your account. Click on the Event Types tab located on the left side of the dashboard. Choose Create Event Type to set up a new event specifically for project kickoff scheduling. Select the event duration that best fits your kickoff meetings. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your event, such as Project Kickoff Meeting. Scroll down to the Location section. Choose the preferred meeting location, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. Set the date and time options that work best for your project stakeholders. Click on Invitee Questions to gather essential information. Add necessary questions such as project name, team members involved, and expected outcomes. Make questions required to ensure you collect vital information. Navigate to the Advanced Settings section. Enable notifications and reminders to keep everyone informed about the meeting details. Customize the confirmation message that invitees will receive after scheduling. Save your event type by clicking the Save and Close button. Share your Calendly link with your team and clients for easy access. Test the scheduling process to ensure all information is being collected accurately. Review responses regularly to prepare for each kickoff meeting. Adjust the settings as needed based on feedback or changing project requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.